morning. Namaste to all the stations, SWs and listeners on this frequency. Now the time is 7:15 a.m. in my shack. Shack temperature is 21 degrees Charlie. Double X is cool and comfortable morning. The time for Vijayawada morning net through VU2 kilo delta delta repeater at 145.550 megahertz with 600 kilohertz negative shift. Today's net controller is VU2 Tango Victor Golf handle Keshav QTH Vijayawada. As usual, any medical or priority traffic for the Vijayawada morning net? If so, please call V2 Tango Victor Golf through V2 KDD Repeater. It seems there is no medical or priority traffic for Vijayawada morning net. Now the regular check-ins may call V2 Tango Victor Golf through V2 KDD Repeater.
Air uniform number 2, Juliet Charlie Hotel.
Papa Victor Bravo. Kilo Echo Tango.
Roger. V2 PVP, V3 KET and V3 ALX. Please stand by. VU2 Juliet Charlie Hotel. Please come in Masangar. Any traffic for the net. Your signal report will be given in the next hour.
Good morning, net controller. Your maybe me handle telidu. The Bapu Jigaru and other stations in this frequency, all are coming 5-9 at my location in Vijayawada. Today morning I reached to Vijayawada for the festival, and you are coming 5-9 at my location signal report. And happy Sankranti and Bhogi to all the ham friends as well as their families. Sunday and nothing but Sunday and enjoy your number. I want to enjoy all of you with the festival with your family members. And 70 days and VU3 TV me cost of such the Juliet Charlie Hotel.
Roger. V2 Juliet Charlie Hotel. This is V2 Tango Victor Golf returning ending. Yeah, good morning Mastan Garu. You are also 519 loud and clear. And, thanks for the wishes of Pongal. మీకు మీ కుటుంబ సభ్యులకు కూడా భోగి శుభాకాంక్షలు అండి. And hope everyone are enjoying. Thanks for checking today's morning net and see you tomorrow morning at the same time. Until then, 73 bye. PVB, Brahmaji Garu, please come in any traffic for the net.
It KDD operated by V2 TVZ. Good morning, Keshav. Good morning, everybody on the frequency. And festival greetings to all hands and the players. Okay, you are 5-9 to Yeluru. You are U73 bye. Have a good day. Over.
Roger. V2 TVB, this is V2 TVG returning ending. Good morning, Brahmaji Garu. You are coming 519 loud and clear. And thanks for the festival wishes and wish you the same to you and your family. Tomorrow morning at the same time. Until then, 73 bye. 3 KET, please come in any traffic for the net. Signal report will be given in the next hour.
V2 Tango Victor Golf. Morning net controller through KDD Repeater. V3 Kilo Echo Tango. Good morning, Keshav. Good morning, Mastan, and good morning, Brahmaji Garu and Nagvarsan Garu. All are coming 500 good copies. It is cloudy and chill morning. Burki and Makar Sakura, I think it is over another frequency. You are for the next 73 is have a wonderful day. V2 Tango Victor Golf, V3 Kilo Echo Tango.
Yeah, Roger. V3 KET, this is V2 TVG returning ending. Thanks for checking today's morning net, Babuji Garu. Your signal report is also 519 loud and clear. Festival greetings. I wish you the same to you and your family. See you tomorrow morning at the same time, 73 bye clear. 3 ALX, please come in any traffic for the net. Your signal report will be given in the next hour.
Good morning, Mr. Keshav. V2 TVG, V2 KDD Repeater net controller. V2 Alpha Max returning. No traffic and regular check-in. 73 to all listeners and all games on the frequency. All are today coming 5 and 9 blasting signal from our reporter. The best report is cool
519 loud and clear. For checking today's morning net. For the wishes at the same time, and thanks for the double X info of your area. Until then, 73 bye clear. Vijayawada morning net is in progress. Any station would like to join, you may please call V2 Tango Victor Golf stroke VU2 KDD Repeater at 145.550 MHz with 600 kHz negative shift.
YDX.
V3 YDX, please come in any traffic for the net. Signal report will be given in the next hour.
V2 Tango Victor Golf, Vijayawada net controller. This is V3 YDX returning. Very pleasant good morning to the net controller and all the stations on this frequency. Your signal report is 519, very good copy. And here the WX is cool and chill morning. And I wish all the stations a very happy Sankranti. Enjoy with your families, stay safe and stay healthy. And nothing special traffic for the net 76. Good day to all. V2 TVG, this is V3 YDX over.
Yeah, Roger. V3 YDX, this is V2 TVG returning. Thanks for checking today's morning net, Dilip. Your signal report is 519 loud and clear. And thanks for the double X info too. And I wish you the same Sankranti festival greetings to you and your family. 73, see you tomorrow morning at the same time. Bye clear. Vijayawada morning net is in progress. Any station would like to join, you may please call.
Tango Bravo Mike.
To TBM, please come in any traffic for the net. Your signal report will be given in the next hour.
V2 TVG, this is V2 TBM returning. Good morning, Keshav. Good morning, your brand frequency. Frequency of 519, good copy, WX. Cool morning. Here you have the net 73. Happy Hogi, Sankranti, Kanamata Bhaganshu. To you and all your family members and all fellow hands. 73, have a good day. Bye.
V2 TBM, this is V2 TVG returning in. Thanks for checking today's morning net, Madhgar. Your signal report is 517 and కొద్దిగా చిట్పట్లు ఉన్నాయి. That is the info. And thanks for the greetings. And I wish you the same happy Bhogi Sankranti to you and your family members. See you tomorrow morning at the same time. Until then, 73 bye clear. Vijayawada morning net is in progress. Any station would like to join, you may please call V2 Tango Victor Golf stroke VU2 KDD Repeater at 145.550 MHz with 600 kHz negative shift.
V2 Hotel Romeo Yankee.
Yeah, V2 HRY, please come in any traffic for the net. Signal report will be given in the next hour.
Roger, V2 TVG. Through KDD Repeater, this is V2 HRY. Good morning, Keshav, and Pongal greetings to you and everyone on frequency. Our report is Farnan. Here, WX is cool and foggy morning. Clear for the net 73. V2 TVG, V2 HRY. 73, bye-bye.
Roger, V2 HRY, this is V2 TVG returning. Thanks for checking today's morning net, Hemant Raj Garu. Your signal report is also 519 loud and clear, and thanks for the double X info. And thanks for the Pongal wishes, and I wish you the same to you and your family also. See you tomorrow morning at the same time, 73 bye clear. Vijayawada morning net is in progress. Any station would like to join, you may please call.
VU2 Romeo Delta Mike.
To RDM, please come in any traffic for the net. Your signal report will be given in the next hour.
V2 Tango Victor Golf. This is V2 RDM returning. Very pleasant good morning to you, Keshav, and good morning to all the stations in this frequency. My happy Pongal greetings to all of you, festival greetings to you. Otherwise, you are you 73s for the net. V2 Tango Victor Golf, V2 RDM 73 bye.
Roger, V2 RDM, this is V2 TVG returning. Thanks for checking today's morning net, Ramesh Garu. Your signal report is also 519 loud and clear. And thanks for the Pongal